Hello, my name is Varun Dockery. So, about the session that we had today on psychometric testing, I think the session was really good. One, because we got to know about our own selves, our own personality, where do we exactly stand from the point of view when the recruiter looks at us. Secondly, we also got to know about the different kinds of jobs that are available with regard to the function, with regard to the demand. And also, one of the things that I feel is extremely important is how exactly we should tackle tests when it comes to recruitment. How are we supposed to face them? So in a nutshell, it was a really good session. And yeah, thank you.